Simple yet packed with flavour and ready in 20 minutes. This honey lemon chicken is perfect when you're craving those fresh, zesty flavours with a hint of sweetness. The weather's just starting to get a little bit nicer and it's almost starting to feel like spring. So I've been thinking about making a lovely dish with light and zesty flavours, almost like those spring flavours. And this honey lemon chicken really hits the spot. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by slicing 2 chicken breasts in half. I'm making this for my family of 4, so I'm using 2 chicken breasts, but this can easily be scaled up or down depending on how many you're serving. Once we've sliced the chicken, we're going to coat it, and that coating is going to help the chicken stay lovely and moist. In a small bowl, mix together 3 tablespoons of plain all-purpose flour, along with half a teaspoon each of salt, black pepper and paprika. Sprinkle the mixture over the chicken and coat both sides of the chicken with the flour mixture. Now heat a tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large frying pan over a medium to high heat until the butter melts. Add the chicken to the pan and cook for 7 to 8 minutes, turning once until both sides are golden brown. Once the chicken's browned, we're going to start to build up those flavours, starting with the garlic. Add in 2 cloves of minced garlic and stir for 30 seconds. We don't want that garlic to burn. Now add in 120 ml, which is about half a cup of chicken stock. Now for the ingredient that'll really make this dish sing, the lemon. We're going to add in 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, which is the juice from about 1½ lemons. Now we add in 3 tablespoons of honey to balance out the lemon and give a nice sticky sweetness. Next in goes 1 lemon sliced into half-moon slices. Bring to the boil and simmer for 5 minutes until the sauce is slightly reduced. Then sprinkle with some fresh parsley and serve with rice or pasta. And that's how you make delicious honey lemon chicken. And if you like the sticky sweetness of this dish, you're going to love my crispy chili beef. In that video, I'll show you my tip for how to slice the steak really thinly, and also how to get the coating nice and crispy without the need for deep frying.